Assalamu alaikum, dosto. How is everybody doing? I hope you're fine. And good morning. Today I want to show you where we live, where we're staying here in Gulberg. We're actually just staying next to a very fancy area. Yeah, Gulberg. This one here, half. It's like the edge of where the fancy people, the rich people live, and the regular people. Anyway, so we're renting for the time being here in Lahore a little house. Let me show you. All right, this is it. Our nice flowers here, whatever that bush is. Okay, here goes in. All right, so we have this. What do you call? This courtyard, this little garden, if you will, you know, which is very relaxing. Actually, it's a nice place. Of course, during the midday sun, you don't want to hang out here, but you can hang out there. There are fans. See, has lots of very dry flowers. Been here a few days and I haven't watered these. I don't know if I have to water them. Should ask my host, right? Yeah, so this is a nice touch. I like it. On bench here, also some green, you know, gives you the illusion of being in the jungle or something. It's nice. I really like this. Little touches here, plants everywhere. Here, although these look like, yeah, they're plastic plants, but these not. They're all real, of course. Yeah, so yeah, it's not that big of a house. I don't know what's in there. So this is like the outside lounge. See, we have, it's bright at night. And there's a mirror. Hello. Yeah, don't need to turn on the little fans now, right? Anyway, so this is a nice area to hang out. Really comfortable, little sofa, shades, a nice little picture of some bamboo by Sam. Damn, it's Sam. Anyway, so here we have a kitchen, which is actually fully functional. You can even bake a cake here. It works. You know, of course it's a bit of a mess, but it's not that bad. It could be worse. Anyway, so got plenty of stuff, plenty of pans, and you know, more pans and baking stuff. A big wok, which is a good thing. You know, and yeah, you know, what do you have? You know, glasses and you know, plenty of stuff. Also, condiments. Some sugar, salt, oil is all available here. So up here, the house is, I think it's 2 more rooms upstairs, but they're closed. This used to be a family house, but they moved out, so they're renting the lower part of the house on Airbnb. All right. See, here you can hang your key if you want. Oh, I didn't catch that thingy. I never know which one the fan is, although we don't need any light anyways. Broad daylight. In a hot day already, although it's morning actually, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. You couldn't, yeah. It's pretty hot actually here already. But it'll be 44 degrees, what I read. Anyway, so let's go in. Go in, you have your hello. Hey, my daughter playing here. Yeah, this is like the living room. The drawing room, or what you want to call it. This is actually, I think that's the nicest room in the house. You know, the nice tiles, a very good air conditioning. You know, nice sofas, chairs, with nice cushions here. You know, a little thing you could put something here. You know, like a glass of tea, a lamp here. Yeah. You have a map of Lahore. Yeah, we're probably here. Yeah, we're around here somewhere. The FCC, that's where Gulberg is. That's the FCC park, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, yeah, so this is because of the humidity. Some of the houses here, the walls are not good. You have seen this many times. But, you know, you could fix that. Anyway, so, yeah, of course. If you have kids, there will always be, you know, toys and working materials, you know, paintings, Drawing. See, my son makes these. Pretty cool, actually, I think. Yeah. Also here, that's their. They work on toys. They copy toys and whatever from games. You know, books, photo, cameras, and then here's the kitchen. Not the kitchen. This is like the whatchamacallit. This is the dining room, yeah, if you will. Yeah, this is the drawing room or the living room, and this is the dining room. Yeah, not to be mistaken with the kitchen, because the fridge is here. Yeah, you know, mostly water. So microwave here. There's a kettle here, and this is where I work. Also here we have more, you know, plenty of glasses, even something that looks like beer glasses. Plenty of plates, and yeah, you know, just yeah, you have a blender there. And what you do have, you have a clock in almost every room, and it's actually it's the first time that the clock is actually correctly set. So mirrors. Anyway, right. So this is some more cupboards. I think it's locked. Oh no, it's open. Yeah, you have plenty. This is an Airbnb, so if you come here, you have plenty of rooms to put your stuff, and I'll show you more in the master bedroom. Anyway, so this is the bathroom, which may not look amazing, but actually it's very good. It's a good shower, you know, with the right shower head, hot water, Western toilet, you know, and Western sink, if you will, and the mirror. Hello. You know, and you got plenty of cleaning products and all. So, you know, the thing is, you know, this is a good Airbnb. We're very comfortable here. I mean, there's just a few things that are not super perfect, but it doesn't matter. It's actually quite cheap. I think it's $22 a night. If you stay for a month, of course, it's always like a lot cheaper. So, and this is like in Gulberg, which is a very good area, or at least, I mean, well, parts of Gulberg are like, yeah, the best. I mean, it's like, Gulberg is like with Barria town, a model town, like the top-notch places. This is not in the top-notch, because that would be a lot more expensive, I suppose. But, you know, just like next street, that's where, you know, film stars living. So, anyway, yeah. Okay, this is the master bedroom. Yeah, close to curtain, of course. Yeah, it's a comfortable bed. Old furniture, old wooden bed. Gives the whole thing has a retro feel anyway. See these old furnitures. You got it's got a lot of a big. This is not on now, and this is actually I have to change the bulb, so that's why it's a bit dark in here now. Yeah, you got plenty of cupboards. That's where I have my stuff. You know, don't look. Yeah, so. The thing also, again, I must say, I've stayed in Airbnbs, and it's not. Has nothing to do with a country or another country is better. It depends on people and how they run their things, and some people how they expect their guests to return. You know, because they just leave some old plates and some old dirty old sheets on the beds, or whatever, you know, like old towels, and you know, it's just that's what they don't use anymore. So here, this is good. You know, this is good quality bedding. You know, I didn't. It was not professionally made. I made it, but this morning because I slept in here, and yeah, it's clean. It's, you know, you don't feel disgusting when he's sleeping in these beds, or when he's sitting on these sofas. This is a clean, you know, proper Airbnb. You know, here you have a flat screen TV with, you know, lots of channels. You know, of course AC as well. So this is, yeah, I'm very comfortable here. Should I say? Let's go to the second bedroom. See here, the towels are all like sanitized, and you know, so because of the corona thing, maybe, or maybe even without. There's like always an ironing board, an iron. We have that, like, and yeah, this is the second bedroom. Yeah, you have an iron and an iron board. Like in most, even if they're really bad Airbnbs, it's very strange. We don't really use this. Yeah, and there's another bedroom. Yeah, old style, very retro. And another mirror, right? You can see me in my salva camise. Yeah, so nothing further to add. Just another bedroom. So with some art, which looks like, I don't know, looks vaguely familiar. Anyway, let's go out. And back out in the broad daylight, I'll accompany you to the door. You hear the chickens, the rooster, but you don't hear it when in the bedroom. So this is a good Airbnb. I will actually leave the link to this here. So when you're staying in Lahore, and yeah, it's in Gulberg, and you know, kind of like in the heart of the city. It's a really good place. I wouldn't. That was the other place where we stayed was smaller and a little bit less, you know, luxurious, but it was also right, and it was a lot cheaper. But this is not too expensive for what you get. This is a good place, a very good deal. Anyway, guys, yeah, if you like, I will, you know, in the future show you where we're staying too. I mean, I know that lots of people are interested, but I don't know if there's like a big interest behind it. But yeah, I'd like to show you around. And yeah, so you know, I mean, for those of you who are traveling and are interested, I'll leave links for things you can book online or something, you know. Otherwise, other information, useful information. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and share this video, and I'll be making more videos, a lot more content to be coming, but until then, I bid you farewell. Bye bye and Fira Malange.